मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्.
Very good morning everyone. Today I am Pratibha in front of you for the word of the day. So today's word is caucus. Caucus meaning is a meeting of the members or leaders of the political party to choose representative or to decide policy. For example, Latin American caucus is still working within the original mailing list. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Sumit from class 10th B. Today I am going to present thought of the day. So the thought is, democracy is based upon the conviction that there are extraordinary possibilities in ordinary people. If you will go in remote areas of our country and ask people what do they know about democracy, they would hardly be knowing about democracy or government. But political party is very common to all of them. They must be knowing about political parties. So political parties are the most visible institution of our democracy. But how do we choose our representatives? Through elections. So I repeat, democracy is based upon the conviction that there are extraordinary possibilities in ordinary people. Thank you.
So hello everyone, my name is Sarthak and I am from class 10th B. So today I am going to tell you about election. So as all of you know, elections are going to be contested in different states like Uttar Pradesh, UK, Punjab from 10th of February. So what is an election? So an election is considered the prime pillar of democracy. Not only for the country, but the election can also be conducted in any case where public opinion matters the most. An election is also defined as a decision-making process within a group of people sharing similar interests. For example, if you are a member of a club and you want to fill the vacant position of the chairman, choose the most suitable member and let the others cast their votes. On counting, the highest vote winner will be chosen as the chairperson. This is how a democratic government works. In a democratic country, every person has the right to showcase his or her political views. This is called suffrage. It is the prime element of the election. Going a step ahead, we need to find out who can cast their vote. People of all ages will not be able to comment the importance of voting and choosing a leader. For this, one needs to be mature enough to understand the situation of a country. This is why the country's voting authority has set the minimum voting age to 18 years. In India, people entering their adulthood at the age of 18 can cast their votes. So we all should encourage the people who are above 18 years and of 18 years old. We should encourage them to cast votes because every vote is important and significant. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।